Well, hey there. Happy Monday. It is Cecelia here with your Monday message. And today is all about how to gain instant credibility and authority in your niche. And the fastest and easiest way that I know for you to gain instant credibility and authority is to create a Facebook group for your tribe. The whole purpose of a Facebook group is to bring your people together with a common cause, goal, or situation, right? There's Facebook groups for everything. There's Facebook groups for singles who live alone of a certain age, like me. There's Facebook groups for cat lovers, dog lovers, pizza lovers, you name it. There's a Facebook group for just about anything. But if you are in business, you want to have a Facebook group for your tribe. So, for those who don't know me, I am Cecelia Faye Morris, a digital marketing maven, and I'm using my headphones because something with Zoom and Chrome is really weird and it makes me sound like I'm underwater. So if you were on here and saw me earlier and you're like, she already talked about this. You're right, I did, but the video quality sucked. So here I am doing it again. So let's talk about the 5 reasons why you want a Facebook group for your business. Reason number one, as I just said, it gives you instant credibility and authority. If you want to be perceived as someone who knows what they're talking about, create a Facebook group and invite people to the group. You don't have to know everything. You just need to be 2 to 3 steps ahead of the person that asks you for information. Now, a Facebook group gives you a sense of community because, again, people are there for a common cause. So when I do my 3-day workshops, I bring people into a pop-up Facebook group. Why? Because they're all there for the 3-day workshop. Once the 3-day workshop is over, the group goes dormant until I do the next workshop. And for anybody who's been following me, you probably noticed that I didn't do a workshop in May, and I'm not sure when I'm going to do one again because I am revamping and restructuring in my business. But nonetheless, that is one example of creating a group for a common cause. My other my Facebook group where I bring people in who are looking for automated marketing strategies, who want to use digital marketing strategies, who want to put some automation in their business so their business is working even when they're not. I have another Facebook group for those people. Some of you watching today's video might be in that Facebook group, Prospecting Made Easy, automated solutions that work for any business. Inside of that group, I share some of my best tools, tips, tricks, and strategies for us to stay current and relevant on social media to generate leads, clients, customers, and sales. The thing about a Facebook group is it gives you a targeted audience of which you can have increased engagement with potential customers and team members. There are people in my group that have been following me for over a year. And then there's people in my group who just signed up with my coaching program in, say, January of this year. So it's a whole cross section of people that are in some way, shape, or form interested in learning what it is that I know about using digital marketing strategies. Another reason why you want to have a Facebook group is because it gives you the ability to share exclusive offers, promotions, and product announcements. So when I launched my course, the Ultimate AI Toolkit, I gave everybody inside of my Facebook group a preview of what they can expect in the toolkit. Long before I did a Facebook ad for it and before I started posting it in groups, I put it in other groups. I put it inside my own Facebook group just to see what kind of reception that I would get from the people who already know, like, and trust me. And when I found that the reception was good, that's when I took it and I launched it out to the world. So that is another example of how a Facebook group gives you the ability to kind of pre-test, promote, and give people information that you don't introduce to the general public. If you've got a network marketing business, you can use a Facebook group to share exclusive offers and promotions. One of the things that me and my client turned friend turned business partner Joe did was we did a stress-free bingo for the month of April inside of our private Facebook group. One of the things we do is we help women live authentic lives by helping them with brain fog, clarity, focus, sleeping, concentration, energy. We're all in that whole all natural biohacking nootropic space, and we did a stress-free bingo for the month of April, and we gave out prizes for bingo. So that's another example of how you can do things in a group that you would not do on your public page. Inside of your group, you have the opportunity to build strong stronger relationships and create a sense of community. So in my paid Facebook group, meaning the people who paid me to coach them on how to create highly successful and profitable Facebook ads, we feed off of each other in the group. We help each other with our copy, our images, our headlines. So as we're creating Facebook ads, we're able to crowdsource information from the group members to get their insight input. Because even though I am the head of the group, I'm just one person, and it helps to get opinions of other people who are working towards a common goal, which in this case is to create highly successful and profitable Facebook ads. Another example of how you can use Facebook groups to your advantage is inside of the group, you can monitor and track the activity. So you can see who your most engaged people are. You can see who's maybe not engaging so much, but you can create subgroups inside of your Facebook group. So if you remember, was it earlier this year or late last year? I think it was late last year. Facebook introduced the whole add everyone thing, and everybody lost their minds and started doing add everyone inside of their groups all the time. And people were getting a little bit pissed off and irritated. Well, one of the things that I have is called Groups Tag, which gives you the ability to create subgroups inside of your Facebook group. You can create a subgroup of people who joined in a particular month. You can create a subgroup of people who have a similar birthday. You can create a subgroup of people who have a similar question. So when you post content that relates to that question, you can tag that subgroup on that question, which lets them know, hey, not only did I hear you, but I have an answer to your question. So a Facebook group is a great way, once again, for you to gain instant credibility and authority inside of your niche, because it gives you I don't want to say a captured audience, but it gives you an audience of people who have trusted you enough to join your tribe. And when you are the leader of that tribe, that means those people in that group are looking to you for guidance and support. I had a great call with a gentleman earlier today, and he has a whole saver shopping cashback loyalty rewards program, and it's a free program, but there's also an upgrade to that. And I was talking to him about how great it would be for him to show people what the upgrade can do for them. It's one thing to say upgrade and get the premium package and you get these additional benefits, but how much more valuable is it as a group leader to be able to show them all the additional benefits they get with that upgrade? So when you build a tribe for your business, whether you're a coach, a course creator, network marketer, affiliate marketer, building that group allows you to create a community of people, again, who are all working towards a common goal, a common cause, or they're looking for you to get guidance on how to move to the next level in their business and in their life. So if you want to learn about using Facebook groups to your advantage and also use automated marketing strategies to build your business, comment group in the comments on this video, and I will send you the link to my Facebook group. Now, let me give you some quick tips about groups before we go. The one thing about groups is Facebook groups allow you to ask 3 questions to let people into your group. If you're not using those 3 questions, you're missing out on a great opportunity. The first question should be, if you're not collecting their emails through a lead magnet, your first question should be, what's their email? First or second question. Your first question might be, hey, this is what this group is for. Are you in the right place? Right? You want to let them know what this group is about, so the people that join know what they're there for. And then one of the questions needs to be getting their email. And then a third question can be asking them if they want some additional tool or resource that will help them move the needle forward in their life, their business, their relationship, their health, whatever it is that you have created that group for. And then that opens the door for a 2-way conversation between you and that person. Another tip about Facebook groups is that when you accept people into your Facebook group, make sure you also send them a friend request. If you still, well, you should have the ability to send friend requests. Sometimes they can't request you if you're already maxed out at 5,000, or if you have a professional profile. They can still follow you though if you have a professional profile. But make sure you send all your new members a friend request, and then have a welcome post in the group that includes a video, and tag all the new people on that welcome video. So that way, again, they know what the group is for, who you are, what you do, and who you serve. More importantly, there should be a link in that video that tells them, hey, I sent you a message. So that way they go to their messenger to see the message that you sent them. Because because if you send somebody a message and you're not friends, it goes into the dead letter messenger box of Facebook. But if you tag them on the welcome post and say, hey, I sent you a message, then that prompts them to go accept the message and also to accept your friend request as well. So those are just a few tips on how you can use Facebook groups to your advantage. And again, if you are a coach, consultant, course creator, network, or affiliate marketer, you need to have a Facebook group for your tribe. It is the fastest way to gain credibility and authority. Hope you found this video useful. I will see you in the next video where I'm going to show you how to leverage your Facebook groups for increased sales and team engagement. I hope you are going to show up for this series that I'm doing on Facebook groups. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, take care, be well, be safe, and be blessed.